Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Kraken Pro detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Kraken Pro, begin by visiting the Kraken website. Look for the sign up button on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to. Next, create a strong password for your account. Ensure the password is at least 8 characters long and includes numbers and symbols. Once your email and password are entered, click the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Kraken. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Kraken website. You will now need to set up two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to download an authentication app if you haven't already. Once you have the app, scan the QR code or enter the code manually. Enter the verification code from your authentication app into the designated field. After verifying your two-factor authentication, you can log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. To proceed with trading, you must verify your identity. Click on the verification section and follow the prompts. Provide the required personal information, like your name and address. Upload the necessary identification documents as requested. Wait for the verification process to be completed. This may take a few minutes to several days, depending on the volume of requests. Once verified, you can deposit funds into your Kraken Pro account. Return to your account dashboard and select the Funding tab. Choose your preferred deposit method and follow the instructions. After depositing funds, navigate to the Markets section to find available trading pairs. Select the trading pair you wish to trade and review the details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.